In the WINTOOL Process Manager, we can organize all the preparations we need for one job in our production. So let's create a job in WINTOOL. Give it a unique name, connect the machine, connect the tool card and the NC folder. Approve the schedule, approve the NC planning, and now we generate the load list. Here we see different colors and different tool assemblies we need. Now when the planning is done, we already send the presetting data to our Haimer microset presetting machine. And last but not least, we are printing a load list that can be printed out or used on the tablet. Precisely shows for our tool management colleague what stays on the machine, what needs to be withdrawn from the cabinet and put into the machine, and what needs to be assembled, put on the DMC machine. So the net load list shows all the current statuses and gives us only the information we need to get the right tool to the machine when we want to start a job.